Hello my dear subscriber and viewers, welcome back to Akshara Akshita 2023 channel. In this video, I am going to explain about male and female genital system coding guidelines. Okay, so in each chapter, we should know the general coding guidelines. That means general edit, include, exclude, edit. We should know. So, but while you are coding in one company, if you joined as a coder in one company, so we have the software to check the edit. If it is more than one procedures, we need to check the NCCI edit. So whether two codes are billable or not. Okay, so that edit we can use while we are coding, but in exam time we don't have any software in our hand. We have only the book. That's why we should know the basic general exclude, include, NCCI nodes and modifiers excluded. So these points we should know for each chapter, each topic wise. Like that point wise, I'm going to explain you in this video, like male genital and female genital general coding concept. Okay, those who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel, press bell button, select all, then only you will get my future videos as a notification. Okay, first we'll go for male genital system. Okay, so coding guidelines for male genital system. So first point is transurethral drainage of a prostate abscess. CPT code is 52700. This is very minor procedures. Whenever male transurethral prostate procedures they are performing along with this drainage of prostate abscess, so this drainage of prostate abscess is always included in the transurethral prostate procedures. Okay, so 52700 is their minor procedures. We should not code whenever procedure performing male transurethral prostate procedure CPT codes. Okay, this is the first point. And second point is puncture aspiration of a hydrocele. CPT code is 55000. This service also included in anatomy area, scrotum and vas deferens or tunica vaginalis. So in this anatomical area, whatever procedure they are performing, so aspiration of hydrocele is included. So puncturation is included with this anatomical areas procedure services. Okay, then next point is this is very basic, so I am explaining in each chapter, and this system also we should know. So scrotal exploration, CPT code is 55110. So this exploration is always included in the main procedures. All scrotal sac, all content, everything, all main procedures. Without exploration they will not do the procedures. So scrotal exploration is included with the main procedure. Okay, then last point is if the prostatectomy procedure performed along with the bladder neck reconstruction, if it is necessary they are doing along with the prostatectomy, then bladder neck reconstruction shall not be reported separately. Okay, for an example, CPT code 51800, that is cystoplasty or cystourethroplasty, plastic operation bladder or vesical neck, so shall not be reported with the prostatectomy CPT codes. So where the cystoplasty, cystourethroplasty is necessitated by the prostatectomy procedure, we should not report separately 51800 CPT code. Okay, these are the 5 points we need to look into the male genital system. So next we start female genital system coding guidelines. Okay, so the first point is when pelvic examination is performed, that is in that procedure is conjunction with the gynecological procedures. So for all gynecological procedure, doctor may do the pelvic examination. So that pelvic examination CPT code is included. We should not report separately with the gynecological procedure CPT codes. Okay, diagnostic pelvic examination may be performed to decide to perform the procedure. So this examination is included in E&M service itself. That should not be reported separately. Okay. Then next point is all surgical laparoscopy. Either it is surgical laparoscopy or hysteroscopy or peritoneoscopy. Whatever scopy, for all scopy we have two set of CPT codes. One is therapeutic and another one is diagnostic. I hope you know the definition of therapeutic and diagnostic. Let me explain you. Diagnostic scope is we need to identify the condition. What is the condition? To identify that, doctor may perform scopy. That is called as diagnostic procedure. Okay, diagnostic scopy, diagnostic laparoscopy, diagnostic hysteroscopy, diagnostic peritoneoscopy. So all scopy, if it is they are identifying the what is the condition of the particular area, so that is called as diagnostic. So we know the condition already. Now they are coming for to treat that condition. So they are treating the condition by using the scopy, means that is therapeutic. Okay, so for all scopy we have two sets. One code set is therapeutic procedures and one code is diagnostic CPT codes. So always diagnostic scopy is included in the therapeutic laparoscopy, therapeutic hysteroscopy, everything. Okay, for 49320 is the laparoscopy CPT code. That code is included in the following CPT codes. These following CPT codes are therapeutic procedures. Okay, next 58555, this is also hysteroscopy procedure, that is included in the therapeutic hysteroscopy procedure. Therapeutic hysteroscopy procedure CPT code range from 58558 and 58565. Okay, next point is pelvic examination under anesthesia. So if the main procedure is performing minor or any major procedure performing along with the pelvic examination under the anesthesia, even under the anesthesia also we should not report with the all major or most of the minor gynecologic procedures. We should not separately report 57410. So 57410 is the pelvic examination under anesthesia. So this procedure is always included while you are coding, while you are taking questions and CPC exams. Definitely you may not know this, because in our book also they didn't mention about this point, but based on the coding experience I am explaining. This pelvic examination under the general anesthesia is always included in the all major and most minor gynecology procedures. Okay, then next fourth point is dilation of vagina cervix. CPT code is 57400 or 57800. This is normal minor procedures. This were included in the all vaginal approaches procedures, all main procedures by the vaginal approach. Okay, so all dilation procedure is included. We should not report separately. Next point is colposcopy. Colposcopy 56820, 57420, 57452 shall not be reported separately when performed as a procedure to confirm a lesions or to assess the surgical field before the surgery. We should not report colposcopy procedure. The diagnostic colposcopy resulting in a decision to perform a non-colposcopy procedure may be reported separately, but with the 58 modifier. So 58 modifier we should append to the non-colposcopy along with the diagnostic colposcopy. Okay, diagnostic colposcopy CPT code is 56820, 57420, 57452 CPT codes. Then next point is pelvic extension. Okay, this CPT code pelvic extension. CPT code is 451265159758240. This when performing extensive removal of the structure from the pelvic area, so that will be included. We should not report separately. Okay. The next point is 57250. So calporaphy CPT code, we have three set of CPT code. One is posterior calporaphy and 57240 is for anterior calporaphy and 57260 is for combined anterior posterior calporaphy. So this calporaphy procedure, so including perineoplasty, is performed if the vaginal hysterectomy is accompanied by additional dissection to repair the rectocele or to repair the cystocele. So this will be is included procedure, but if it is proper medical necessity we can bill with the NCCI modifier, that is 59 or excess modifier. So 57250, 57240 and 57260 we may report with the hysterectomy procedure with appropriate NCCI modifier. Okay. Then next point is vaginal hysterectomy normally includes fixation of vagina to surrounding the tissues, but it is misuse CPT code 57282 calpopexy vaginal extraperitoneal approach and 57283 is for intraperitoneal approaches. So to report this fixation of vagina, to describe the fixation that routinely occurs during the vaginal hysterectomy. So this procedure, it will occur routinely, so we should not report separately. If more extensively calpopexy they performed along with the main procedure, that is hysteroscopy, means so we need proper medical necessity to report both code along with the NCCI modifier. Okay. Then the last point is radio frequency ablation of uterine fibroids. So for example, CPT code is 58674 and temporary code is 04048. And myomectomy CPT code, you know already, I explained to you in last video, that is 581402, 58146 and 5845 and 58446 and 58561, 58546. Okay, this code shall not be reported for procedure on the same leiomyoma. So ablation and myomectomy, if they are performing together in the same leiomyoma, we should not report together. For an example, if the physician initiate a laparoscopy radiofrequency ablation of uterus fibroid, but they didn't complete through this procedure, but they completed with laparoscopy myomectomy, so only completed procedure we should report, that is laparoscopy myomectomy may be reported. Okay. In the usual circumstances where the physician perform radiofrequency ablation on one or more leiomyoma and it is medically necessity, then we can report myomectomy on different leiomyoma, means we can report separately. If it is same leiomyoma, so we have to check which approach, which method they are completing the procedure. Finally, we should report that procedure method only as a final CPT code. Okay, that's all about the male and female genital system coding guidelines. If you have any doubt, please comment, and if you like my video, please like to encourage myself. And if you want to share to your friends, please share to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And in the next video, let's start maternity, that is delivery and abortion together. I will post the last video from the 5th series. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.